Ruh-roh.
Alright guys, we're back at the Envoy. We're changing the oil pressure switch. If you saw the intro and your car is doing the same thing, then most likely you need an oil pressure switch. This is the oil pressure switch that I'm using. This is from AutoZone, I believe. There's a part number. I forgot how much it was, but you can look it up. This is what the oil pressure switch looks like. This is what we'll be changing. This sits right above the oil filter. So right where the filter is, right above it. This sits right on top. But this, you'll see you'll need either a deep socket or they sell oil pressure switch socket. So it'll look like this. This is the one I'm using. There's a part number. I think that's the part number there. I got this at Advanced Auto, I believe it was. And that'll go like that. The socket fits over this, like this, just like that. Oil is going to come out when we pull this out, so don't make sure you have something ready for it. Here's the old one. I'm going to grab some of this oil, put it on the new one. Trying to hurry up here, I don't want to lose too much oil. Okay. Here's the old switch. As you can see, it's not looking too hot. This one for sure. So this is what that socket looks like. This is what you'll need. It's the part number. It's the part number that you'll need for that oil pressure switch. So if you'll notice, we did all new brakes, new hubs. I got a video coming on that. Still editing it, so this one will probably come out before that one because this would be quick to edit. But yeah, so if you did it like me and you took the wheel off, yeah, let's put the wheel back on. So we'll let it run for a little while. Take it for a spin. Actually, gotta do a drive cycle on it, so I'll do that. And catch you guys in the next one. Peace.